Hi everyone, welcome back to Dude's Tech. In today's video, we're exploring the best mini endoscope camera you should know about. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the FlexoCam mini endoscope camera. Let's get started.
Product feature.
This versatile and compact tool is specifically designed to deliver precise visual inspections in even the most hard-to-reach areas. It features an IP67 waterproof rating, ensuring reliable performance in wet or damp environments like plumbing and automotive systems. The high-quality cable is engineered with a copper core to provide fast and stable image transmission without any lag or distortion. A semi-rigid cable design offers the perfect balance of flexibility for tight corners and stiffness to push through narrow passages. This camera is highly compatible with a variety of devices, making it a truly accessible tool for both professionals and hobbyists. Built with durability and efficiency in mind, it allows users to capture detailed images and record vital video evidence with ease. The portable design transforms complex inspections into simple tasks, providing a clear window into spaces that were once inaccessible. Pros: you will truly appreciate how this camera takes the stress out of home repairs and maintenance. Its waterproof build gives you peace of mind when dealing with messy plumbing, while the crystal-clear, real-time footage ensures you never miss a detail. The semi-rigid cable is a lifesaver, giving you the control you need to navigate tricky spots without the frustration of a flimsy wire. Cons: because this device is so compact and specialized, you will want to handle the connection points with care to maintain its longevity over years of use. It also relies on your external device's screen, so you'll need to ensure your smartphone or laptop is handy and charged before you start your project. Final thoughts. Imagine the confidence of knowing exactly what's happening inside a dark pipe or a cramped engine block without any guesswork. This tool isn't just about technology, it's about giving you the clarity and control to solve problems yourself. It turns frustrating mysteries into simple fixes, making it a heartwarming addition to any toolbox for those who love taking care of their own space. Stop wondering what's hidden behind your walls and see for yourself. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Dude's Tech and like this video. See you next time.